Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be trying new designs for our Printify pop-up shop. These designs can as well be sold as bundles in marketplaces like eBay, Shopify, and Esty. Okay, so to create this design, I went to my image creator, Bing image creator, and I gave it a prompt: create a shoulder length airbrush illustration of a beautiful African American woman wearing a green and black cheetah print headband, okay, with curly hair and wearing a classy sunshade. So let's see what the image creator will give us. Proud to this, I've created wonderful images. The image creator gave us wonderful images, and this is also looking very lovely. Okay, so although I'm not the sunshade is still dark, but we'll make use of this. We're going to make use of this. So we'll download the image, and we'll go over to Canva to create our design. So here we are in Canva. These are the designs I've tried out my hands on earlier, but I will have to resize this for it to fit into our this in our t-shirts properly. So I resize this to a 16 by 20, 16 height and 20 width in inches. So this is our page. We are working this Canva. We are working on that background. So we go to upload our image. Okay, so after saving or having saved my image that I generated, I click on upload, I open, and it will appear on my desktop Canva. Okay, so this is the image on my Canva. So I click on the image and I'll remove the background. Oh, you have to remove the background for it to become transparent. And okay, just make sure you remove the background, but this is only accessible to Canva Pro. Okay, so having removed the background now, we'll go to element and we'll search for black girl quotes. Okay, so you can see black girl quotes. Now we'll look for different black girl quotes. You have a whole lot of them. This one says just a girl with a goal. So we'll go for this. There are different wonderful quotes. So this is what we'll use to design our background. We'll send this to the back. You click on position, you send it to the back because I'll use this as a background of my work. Okay, so I'll fit into the page and I will duplicate. Okay, reduce it, and I'll also duplicate because I just want to use this as my design or background design. I want to use this to get my background design. So take notes. You go to black girl quotes and you look for, there are several quotes there, and you go for anyone that suits you. Okay, so I'll just keep working around it. Like I would always say, it's all about creativity. So I would also trying to fit this into page now. Okay, so having done that, I'll still go back to element and I'll search for transparent gradients. Transparent gradients. Okay, so search for transparent gradient. Now this is what it will give you. Now this transparent gradient makes it easy. When you place it on top of your design, it would give it a classy outlook and it will remain transparent. Okay, I'll be precise. I'll use green. I'll look for transparent gradient green that will rhyme with the color I have with the hairband. So we can see the transparent radiant green. There are so many transparent radiant green, but depending on what you want your design to look like, you keep searching for the one that suits you most. I'll keep working around this. This is brighter. I'll choose that. Okay, this is good. But always make sure that your work does not leave the Canva or your your workspace. At the end of the day, make sure you adjust and put everything within the workspace. So I keep copying, pasting, I send it to the back. You click on position, you send this to the back. Okay. So you just keep duplicating. We have to fill up that Canva, fill up that space, just to make sure that the color, there is no no spaces in the color, because if the consistency of the color is not thick enough, when it's being printed out, it might not appear so good. So you just have to fill up the color, the consistency be very thick. Fill up the canvas space with the color, just to get a better consistency. So when the work is printed out, it won't appear look in a faded manner. I'll just keep working around this. So I'll keep searching for a thicker form of green. This one is a green watercolor that's still under transparent gradient. Make sure you are using the transparent gradient. Okay, so I'll send it to the back. I'll just keep duplicating. Make sure I fill up that Canva and let my color be thick and consistent. So I'll just keep sending it to the back. I will just keep working around this, duplicating the color, the transparent gradient color, and I'm sending it to the back. Always remember you send it to the back. Okay, so I'll keep working around it until I get the desired consistency that I want. Okay, so this is still not consistent. The color consistency is still somehow light, so I'll keep duplicating until it's the Canva, the color consistency is thick and is filled up. So just keep working around this until you get a good consistency in the color. So I'll keep copying the color gradient, send it to the back. I fill it up. Okay, so I'll adjust the image to fit in properly, and at least give it a better position in the Canva. So this is much more lovely now. So we'll have to go to our Printify shop to mock this up and see what it's going to look like. So we have to download the image. Okay, click on download, and we'll save this. So we'll go over to our Printify shop, and go over to my store. Then we'll mock this up. So we'll go to catalog, click on catalog. I'll click on women's clothing because it's an image of a woman. Okay, so I'll choose one of the t-shirts to mock this up. Okay, click on start designing. So we'll have to upload the image. Click on my device, and so I upload this image. Okay, let's wait for the image to come up. So one good thing about this is that you can sell this as a bundle. You can package it and sell it as a bundle in any of the marketplaces. It's not necessarily just on Printify. It can be sold on Esty as a bundle. You can sell this from your Printify. You go over to, you mark it up or connect it to your Shopify or Esty shop. Okay, so with this, it's a good source of passive income. So, and this is just made with your Canva. And one good thing about this, you're not having, all you just need is to do the design. Printify will carry out the rest of the work. So we'll check this on the same different color variants. Okay, so white, it's good on the white. It's also good on this black. Wow, it's looking superb on black. So we'll just look for the different color variants. Yellow is also good, but the contrast is not presentable enough. Yes, I love this. This is having a nice contrast. This is also having a nice contrast. So here we are, our work is ready. Okay, so we have finally come to the end of this tutorial. So you can give it a try. Open up your Printify or any of your online shops, and you start making your passive income. So do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.